Let's walk through how to create and send WhatsApp marketing campaigns using Bird's platform. First, let's build a WhatsApp campaign message. Since WhatsApp has different rules and regulations around messaging customers, the process is slightly different from SMS. Head over to Marketing Hub on the left bar, under Content, find Message Templates. Here you'll see all the existing templates we built before. To create a new template, click Create a new message project in the top right corner, and you'll see there's multiple platforms available. Today, we'll focus on WhatsApp. You'll see two interaction types, WhatsApp approved and reply to open conversation. Since we want to proactively message customers in our campaign, we'll select WhatsApp approved. Next, choose your WhatsApp business account, then pick your category. There are 3 categories: marketing for promotional offers, authentication for OTP codes, or utility for transactional notifications. Since we are building a marketing campaign, select marketing. WhatsApp offers various message types: plain text, catalogs for displaying products, or carousel messages customers can scroll through. Let's keep it simple and create an image message for this campaign. While you can easily build your template with AI by clicking here, today we'll show you how to start from scratch. Click Start from Scratch and give your project a name. For the locale, you can select which language your template will be approved in. There's multiple languages available. We'll start with English here, but you can always add more locales later. Click Get Started Now in the top right corner to start customize your template. This opens up the editor canvas, where you'll see some information is pre-filled to give you an idea of what a marketing template might look like. In this case, it's showing an offer template. Let's customize it. Click Image Header to upload a new image. We have different ways to upload the header image. Today we are going to look in my media library and select the Bird logo, as I think this looks nice for directing people to Bird. Now let's add a first name variable. Go to Settings, then Variables, and click Add New Variable. We'll add a variable called First Name. This will be for the customer name. Add a description here, and we also need to give it a default value in case the customer name is missing from our records. Save this variable. Return to the editor, go into the text body. Now we can replace Hey There with our variable. Use the variable picker and select First Name. Instead of the static Hey There, we can now pass in the customer name when sending this template. Let's update the copy in the text box here. For this example, we'll say, read our new blog post here, and paste the blog link after. You'll see the link automatically shortens if you check it in the preview. That is because the link shortening is enabled by default, which includes UTM tracking. You could turn this off, but we'll keep it on for analytics. You'll also notice we include a text footer for unsubscribing from marketing messages. You can customize it or delete it. We recommend to keep it as customers must always have the option to opt out. Now we can take a look at the preview to see exactly how your template will appear in WhatsApp. There are also some additional interactive features. Back to the editor view, where you can add action buttons that let customers perform actions like copying codes, opening catalogs, or making phone calls. Let's add a link button, which will allow customers to easily visit the website. Click to add a link button, type Read Now for the button text, and paste your URL here. Here's how a link button would look, but I'll remove it to keep our message simple. Quick reply buttons are another option. These help move conversations forward. We can add a nice button, so our customers can easily reply to our message by clicking. Imagine sending a campaign about new shoes and hats, with buttons for each. Based on what customers click, you could automate different follow-up messages showing relevant products. But for now, let's keep it straightforward. Our template is now ready, but before using it in a campaign, WhatsApp needs to approve it. Click Publish in the top right corner. Bird will automatically submit it to WhatsApp. Notice the status shows as pending. While approval typically takes just a few minutes, it can take up to 24 hours depending on the template's complexity. Perfect! Now that our template is approved and active, we can use it in our campaigns. Navigate to the Marketing Hub and click Campaigns on the left bar. Here you'll see all your existing campaigns. Click Create Campaign in the top right corner, and from the channel options, select WhatsApp. First, let's give our campaign a name. Next, we'll select our recipients. Click into the Recipients section where you can choose from your contact lists. You can select up to 5 different lists to include in your campaign. There's also an option to exclude specific lists if needed. We'll skip this for now. Keep the Skip Recently Messaged Profiles toggle enabled. This helps prevent message fatigue by not sending to contacts who've recently received other communications. Now let's continue to content. In the Sender drop-down menu, select the WhatsApp number that we want to use for this campaign. For the locale matching, you can see we have automatic language matching selected by default. In the Templates section, click Select Template. You'll be navigated to the template library. You can take a look at the preview in the pop-up window. Click Select Template when you're satisfied. The final step is matching our variables. In the Variable Picker, quick search for first name to match it with the contact's first name stored in their Bird profile. Set your default value. We'll use there in case some contacts don't have a first name saved. We're not A/B testing, so let's go to Review by clicking the button in the top right corner. The review page shows you a complete overview of your campaign. Check your setup details, how many recipients will receive the message, confirm if a smart sending is enabled, and see a final preview of your message. This is where you should always send yourself a test message first. It's the best way to ensure everything appears exactly as intended. Once you've received and verified your test message, you're ready to launch. Proceed to launch your campaign by clicking the button in the top right corner. For scheduling, you can choose between 2 options: schedule for a fixed time where all messages are sent at once, or schedule for gradual sending which spreads your messages over a time period. If you choose fixed time, select your desired date and time, and choose the correct time zone for your recipients. If you're ready to send right away, simply click Send Now. Confirm your choice by clicking Send, and your campaign will begin delivering to your selected recipients. You can track your campaign's performance here. You'll see detailed statistics including delivery rates and engagement metrics. This helps you monitor how your WhatsApp campaigns are performing and make adjustments for future communications.